XRP Ripple's new value will shock everyone. UK's #1 crypto. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss XRP's new value that will shock everyone. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
XRP is a cryptocurrency issued by Ripple and is among the top 10 crypto tokens by market cap. In recent months, it has had its fair share of controversy with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, filing a case against the company behind the crypto asset and its executives. The lawsuit focuses on whether XRP is a security or not, a multi-million-dollar question that has not been answered satisfactorily for years, determining the kind of future the digital asset has. While the case's announcement led to a massive slump in value for the asset at first, the token has since rebounded thanks mainly to retail investors and traders pumping its value, plus the general bull run of the crypto industry towards the end of last year. This proves that Ripple's digital payment network is sound. Recently, Ripple Labs had taken an increased interest in the potential of the NFT industry and had decided to release $250 million USD in funds to further research into NFTs. The emergence and growth of Ripple XRP. Ripple has been in existence for a while. It was created back in 2004 as Ripple Pay, but the case of its innovation came too early for its time, as it made no significant mark then. However, it returned in 2012 as Ripple, and soon after launched the XRP token. Ripple XRP is unlike any other cryptocurrency. XRP is a product of Ripple Labs and it differs on many levels, and this includes it is not blockchain based. Unlike most of the other cryptocurrencies in existence, the coin does not operate on blockchain technology. Instead, it is based on the Ripple protocol technology, which means it has no use for a distributed ledger database. This uses gateways linked to servers of the company in multiple countries of the world to verify and process transactions. It cannot be mined. While the mining process is considered to be an integral part of all tokens, it is not the same for XRP. The limit for XRP tokens is set at 100 billion coins created by the company. Over 35% of that coin has been released into the market. The rest is held by the company that releases it periodically to control the supply and circulation of the token. The cryptocurrency is a deflationary one, as the number of the coins in the market reduces with each transaction. Relationship with banks. This virtual asset is centralized, and its parent company Ripple strives to create partnerships with traditional financial institutions like banks. The company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, thereby increasing the popularity of its native token, Ripple XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilities cross-border payments and settlements. Due to the difference between Ripple XRP and other cryptocurrencies, it also has some advantages. Some of them are transaction speed. This is one of the most significant selling points of Ripple technology. The swiftness of transactions surpasses other cryptocurrencies and beats that of Swift wire transfer, the commonly used system in traditional banking. This makes it a better alternative for banks to facilitate cross-border payments, as its XRP transactions are exceedingly fast. The Ripple transaction protocol is quite efficient too. Low cost. Traditional banking system transactions and that of some cryptocurrencies tend to incur hefty transaction fees, but with digital currency, this fee is drastically reduced to a pittance. Reversibility of transactions. Another positive for it is that the transaction can be reversed or edited to deal with an error if there is one. All of these features have enabled the Ripple network to gain significant partnerships among traditional financial institutions, and it has also influenced the growth and value of Ripple XRP over the years. Growth in the South Pacific. It is a fact that the recent partnership of Ripple with the Japanese payment giant SBI has brought the attention of various technical corporations across the South Pacific region, and it is expected that the entire region will see an expansion and adoption of Ripple tech. It has been said that the Ripple remittance deal is setting the stage for a much broader adoption of Ripple. The lawsuit on Ripple pertaining to its security doesn't seem to bother the Japanese regulators or SBI officials. Ripple price action and price movement. There are several predictions as to what the Ripple forecast would be in 2021, which necessarily reflect the position of the market. This includes its peak prices, what it would be worth by the year end, and its lowest value within the year that we see right now. According to Moody's research, investors can expect 2021 to be a good year for blockchain with a massive increase in standards that will directly influence Ripple price. Ripple's XRP already has development plans for motion in 2021. Given how past developments or even announcements have led to an increase in the value of XRP, the currency might reach $2. This will happen if the actions of Ripple technology lead to a partnership with more financial institutions. In the past, XRP's popularity and, by extension, its increase in value have been heavily influenced by the partnership with these traditional institutions. More partnership will mean more adoption, which invariably means higher value. However, it is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit complicates the whole issue even further. Before the SEC filed the case, the outlook for XRP was positive, even if it did not make many optimistic. But the lawsuit cuts its breakout short and makes a Ripple price prediction trajectory more challenging, unlike other digital currencies. Considering how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately, it is even more difficult for XRP. More traders are acting bearish with the XRP cryptocurrency after the lawsuit, raising fears that it could drop below 10 cents. However, the price pump by retail investors and traders has allowed it to pick up again. If anything, all these events show how extremely volatile cryptocurrency can be. If XRP should experience a real breakout in 2021, it could reach its all-time high of over $3. But that looks very unlikely as long as the SEC lawsuit hangs over its head. According to Coinpedia, even with the lawsuit hanging over its head, Ripple XRP will trade at an average of $20 in the next 5 years. Thus, the highest projected price for the year is $2, while it could go as minimum price prediction of $0.561 if the SEC lawsuit is not settled in favor of Ripple. Ripple price prediction in 2021. In 2021, there are various firms that have made their version of XRP price analysis. We will discuss their Ripple price forecast. XRP prediction by wallet investors suggests that the price of the coin in 1 year will be at $1.699. Another prediction by Digital Coin puts the XRP price forecast at $1.76 USD by the end of 2021. This, of course, is relative to the position of XRP in the cryptocurrency market, with the current price at $1.16. There are multiple opinions expressed about XRP price predictions. Ripple price predictions by Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts put a minimum price of $1.23339 on the average price of $1.45105 for November 2021. XRP's price for the year end is predicted based on the price volatility and is kept a maximum of 1.81381 USD. The Ripple coin will be trading at a maximum price of 1.87553 USD by the end of 2022. The average's price of Ripple for 2022 December is $1.50043, while the minimum is expected Ripple's price is 1.27536 USD. Furthermore, for the year 2023, the average price for December 2023 is at 1.47527 USD. The minimum is at 1.25398, while the maximum is set at 1.84408. However, we can expect higher prices and an increase in the market capitalization too if bulls take control. Ripple prediction is positive for XRP investors for the year 2024, as the maximum expected price is at 1.83552 USDT. Is XRP worth buying at present? One of the biggest challenges for traders and investors is whether or not to invest in XRP. It is far cheaper than most of the other cryptocurrencies in the overall crypto market at its current rate. This makes it accessible and easy to buy for many investors and suitable for mass adoption and informational purposes. But in terms of returns, can one say it's worth it? The next 5 to 10 years predictions do not position it as the best investment in the market. After all, it will only increase by 5 times or 6 times in the next 5 years in the best case scenarios. But a value of less than $1 doesn't look so bad, and the demand is good. The benefits it seems to offer, such as the speed of transactions and low charges, would make it look like a good investment with more potential for institutional backing and development soon. The forecasts for XRP vary widely depending on the analysis and period. However, most of them have two things in common: volatility and a moderately optimistic outlook. Optimistic forecast will depend on Ripple payment technology's increased adoption in almost all predictions. However, the volatility of the asset could stand as an albatross, as it depends majorly on the outcome of the litigation between its parent crypto company and the financial regulator. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.